Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here. We are here sa Huawei HQ and we got a preview of their new tablet and also their new router. But first, feature ko ngayon dito yung Huawei MatePad 12X Paper Matte Edition nila. Na it's already out na in the market at it will be available pala it will be available on November 29 to December 31. Yung may promo sila, no? May promo sila na 37,999 available on November 29 to December 31, which includes the magnetic keyboard, yung Huawei M Pencil, meron siyang Huawei Bluetooth and also PC level WPS Office. So, alright, so here's the Huawei MatePad 12X. You can see here, kasama yung magnetic keyboard, no? Pero pag wala yung magnetic keyboard, ito yung itsura niya. Tanggalin natin yung keyboard. So, this is the tablet. Napakaganda. Ayusin natin yung kanyang brightness konti. Nag-a-adjust siya, oh, grabe nag-a-adjust. So, it has a paper matte screen. So, wala siyang glare, wala siyang reflection, which is kung nakikita ko, no, sa sarili ko dito, no, talagang walang glare, talagang kita-kita mo talaga yung content mo sa screen. So let's inspect natin sa likod. It's camera. So lagay ko na lang yung specs ng camera niya, no, kung anong camera specs nito, no. Ayan. At saka I believe this is the contact magnet na mayroong parang communication with the magnetic keyboard. And this is it. Off natin ng konti. Ito siya. Kita mo, no? Ganda ng pagka-paper matte niya. Sa top, it has a parang microphone, I think. Volume. Another microphone yata. Power button. Speaker grills, dalawa. Sa left. Sa ilalim, wala. Sa right side is two more speaker grills. So, apat yung screen niya. Apat yung speaker niya. And also USB Type-C. Ayan. To turn it on, ayan. So also, mayroong front camera dito. May front camera. So kabit natin ko sa magnetic keyboard. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, so mukha na siyang laptop. No? So once na connected sa magnetic keyboard, you can also connect. Oh, wow. Yung pen wala dito ginagamit eh. Pero kanina may nag-demo ako, nag-drawing ako. So it's now connecting sa Neuralink. Sana wala tayong problem na ma-encounter, no? Let's go to notes. Pwede na ba ako mag-notes? Medyo connecting pa rin din siya. Okay, connecting pa din. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari. Still connecting. Close na natin ito. So let's go to the notes. Sa yung notes dito. Huawei books to eh. Ito problema. Ang tagal ko na gumagamit ng Huawei, hindi ko ginagamit yung mga notes kasi. So this is the notes. Pwede pa tayong mag-type. Ayan. Ayaw gumana ng keyboard. Nagko-connect pa ata yung keyboard. Parang nagko-connect. Teka, ano nangyari? Agree. Get started. And let's create a notes. New note. Blank. Check. Ayan. Ayaw gumana. Parang ayaw gumana. Anong problema? What's the problem? Nakabit ko naman eh. Hello. Gumana ka. New note. Ayun, gumagana na yung notes. Gumagawa na yung keyboard niya. So, okay naman. Walang delay. So, it's all good. And meron akong video, nag-drawing ako, panoorin nyo na lang. So, heto siya. Alright, so that's it guys for our quick hands-on and feature about the Huawei MatePad 12X. Abangan ninyo sa market, it will be available soon. Medyo quick lang yung ating feature kasi kakalabas lang nito and we are here sa media briefing. And maybe soon, if we got a chance to do an unboxing, a full feature tayo next time. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, thank you Huawei Philippines for this. Kita kits.